Let us discuss a problem on power curve. That is the power form of the curve. That curve is fit by the method of the least squares. The first problem is fit an exponential curve of the form y equal to a b power x for the data. X values are 1, 2, 3, 4. Y values are 7, 11, 17, 27. It is important problem. Here first we can write the exponential curve of the form, and to find the equation by the method of the least squares. For that, we can take the normal equations. First, let an exponential curve of the form y equal to a b power x. Let it be equation 1. And take log. We can choose either log base 10 or log base e. What we can choose, we mention in the power form. In the exponential, when the equation is, the curve equation is y equal to a e power x, means simply here we are taking log base e only. But here y equal to a b power x means we can choose any one, either log base 10 or log base e. But you can concentrate what is the base you are choosing, that value we can calculate. Here, one problem is I am choosing log base 10, another problem is choosing the log base e. Here, take log base 10 or log base e of equation 1. Here, I am taking log base e y is equal to log of a b power x base e. For this, log ab equal to log a base e plus log b power x base e. It is equal to log a base e plus x log b base e. We can take here log base e, log y base e equal to capital Y, log a base e equal to capital A, small x equal to capital X, log b base e equal to capital B. Write in second equation. It is the second equation. So capital Y equal to capital A plus bx. It is the equation 3. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sigma n is equal to 4. So the normal equations are sigma y equal to 4n 4a plus b sigma x. Sigma xy equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. It is the equation 4. Okay. Now we can take the data. Small x, small y. 1, 2, 3, 4. One value is 7, 11, 17, 27. Find out the log small x equal to capital X only. Next, log y base e equal to capital Y. And next we can take the value of sigma y, it is over. Next, sigma x is the summation of this is sigma x. Taking the x square xy. Sigma x value is 10. Here log y base e value of 7 is equal to log base e 7 value is log 7 base e equal to 1.9459. Log 11 base e equal to 2.3979. Log 17 base e equal to 2.8332. Log 27 base e equal to 3.2958. X square means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. XY 1 into 1.9459. 2 nines are, do it. 2 into 2.3979. 4.7958. 3 into 2.8332. 8.4996. 4 into 3.2958. 13.1832. Now we can add sigma capital Y equal to. The adding of sigma capital Y is 10.4728. Sigma x square equal to, it's 2030. Sigma xy equal to 28.4245. These are the values. These values substitute in equation 4. So sigma y value is 10.4728 equal to 4a plus sigma x is 10, 10b. It is the fifth equation. Next, sigma xy value is 28.4245 is equal to a sigma x. Sigma x is 10a plus 30b. This is the sixth equation. Here, the first equation is multiplying with, that is fifth equation is multiplying with 3. So, 3 8s are 24, 2, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 3 7s are 21, 2, 3 4s are 12, 14, 1, 3 1s are 3. 31.4184 is equal to 4 3s are 12a plus 10 3s are 30b. 28.4245 equal to 10a plus 30b. Subtract from one to another. Get cancel. It is equal to 2a. It is 7, 14. 9, 3, 9, 13 minus 9, 2. A is equal to 2.9939 by 2. It is equal to 1.4969. So capital A is equal to 1.4969. Value substitute in equation 6, its calculation is easy. Why? Because a is multiplying with the 10, it becomes decimal is point is shifted to right side. So 28.4245 is equal to 10 into 1.4969 plus 30b. It is equal to 14.969 plus 30b. From this, 30b equal to 28.4245 minus 14.969. So B equal to here 28.4245 minus 14.969. It is 5. It is 145315714.27 means 7. 7.4555 by 30 is 13 point. Sorry, here 7 minus 4 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 13.4555 by 30. Divides with 30. 0.4485. Okay. Next, capital A is equal to 1.4969. Capital B equal to 0.4485. Again, we can go forward. Here, what is log small a base E equal to capital A, log small b base E equal to capital B. Log small a base E equal to 1.4969. From this, small a equal to e power 1.4969. What is the value? Log small b base E equal to 0.4485. So small b equal to e power 0.4485 equal to, this is 4.4678. The value of small b is 1.5659. So A, B values substitute in equation 1. So small y is equal to A, that is 4.4678 into 1.5659 whole power x. Small a, b power x, this is the fit a curve in the power form. The curve is in the power form and it can be calculated by the least square method.